together and I put the boots on, I thought I was a whole model, a whole ass model. Okay, I put it together. I was like, girl, look at you. Hey friend, welcome to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. Okay, another reason to subscribe. Just do it. So friend, I have not posted in feels like forever. In YouTube time, it is forever. I'm normally posting 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and last week I only posted on Monday because I have been so busy. Wow, I have been so busy. As a lot of you guys may know, if you're new here, then you don't know, but you know, for my subscribers that have been here, you know that I am launching my own business, Sugar Scoop Beauty. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, and I am going to be launching really soon. Just to let you in on a little secret, I plan on launching the day after Christmas, so be on the lookout for that date. I haven't officially like announced it yet on my Instagram page, but that is the date that we're working towards. And these past few days I've been making everything. A lot of things are handmade by me, like the sugar scrub, the lip scrubs, the lip glosses are made by me. A few things, so making it, bottling it, doing all production, doing all of that, which is basically production. So that's what I've been busy doing, so that's why I'm late to the party. Now I am, before the actual launch, I do want to have like an official video, just doing like a haul, showing you guys what I have to offer, and you can take a look and then you'll be able to shop. So when you see that video, the link is going to be live, and I believe I'm going to make it have like my YouTube people have kind of like first dibs. So that's what I want to do. So you'll see a video showcasing everything. Right now I actually have on one of my lip glosses, which is called Peach Cobbler. I have it right here. Let me reapply it. But this is the packaging for Peach Cobbler. As you can see, I've been using it. But this is Peach Cobbler here. And that's what I have on my lips with a brown lip liner. And I am going to swatch these for you guys, in a video like I just said. But this is it. I just want to show you it. This is Peach Cobbler here. Put it on my arm. You can see it's like a peachy color. So that's what I have on my lips. Matter of fact, girl, let me reapply. I really love these glosses. They're really silky. I called them cream glosses before, and then Rihanna came out with glosses that are called cream, like Gloss Bomb Cream something. And I didn't want to feel like, I don't want anybody to think I was copying, even though I had that name before I even knew about it. But I changed it to silk glosses. So, and they are silky in texture, as you can see. I love these glosses, girl. I really do. And I like to layer this gloss because it can be layered. It doesn't cake up and gather. It's very comfortable on the lips. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love it. If you like a nice lightweight gloss that isn't too sticky. Ooh, it's not sticky at all. I hate sticky. It's not sticky. It's so pretty. This is, again, Peach Cobbler. I also have glazes. So those are called silk glosses. And then we have glazes, which are in squeezy tubes. And they have like little shimmers in it. And, So you guys will get a full swatch of all of these things. And I don't even have on no nails. So I've been at work. We have nails that are launching. So anyway, let's get into this video, okay? Because I can go on and on and on. Let's get into why we're here today. So friend, I have a nice little, styling video for you. And I've done a couple of these videos before where I took one item and styled it multiple ways. And today we're going to be styling knee-high boots. These knee-high boots I got from Miss Lola Shoe Boutique. Let me grab them really quick. These are the knee-high boots that I got from Miss Lola. I actually have a video reviewing these boots and like an unboxing. And I tried these on along with like a camel color. So these are them. We're going to be doing the burgundy ones. Here, as you can see, they have like a little raised part in the front that goes over the kneecap. So they're really cute, and they're suede. And I love the color. I love burgundy. So this is what we're going to be styling. I think I got 4 outfits out of it. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'll just show you the pieces, and on either side of the screen, you'll see me in the full outfit. So you can, get the visual, get the little vibe. You know how I do, girl. So let's get into that. Right, now the first outfit that I did was sort of like a mini dress, and it has ruching in it. This is a dress that I got from Pretty Little Things maybe 3 years ago, because I remember I wore this to a work Christmas party, Let me just pull it up here. You'll see it on the screen as well, but it's just like this. It has the straps here, and you can see that it has like the ruching all the way down. It looks like a small dress, but it does stretch out. It's because of the ruching in it. So this dress is pretty flattering, especially if you don't want to wear shapewear, which I listen. The shapewear would be too much work for me, child. So I need something that's going to camouflage it without me doing all these layers, because sometimes I can't bother. The only shapewear that I use when I feel like wearing it is the ones by Skims, and I have a video with that. That one is very comfortable, and it's not heavy duty, and it's not thick and hot. That's a really, really, really good shapewear or shape bodysuit, and I highly recommend it. I do have a video with that if you want to check it out. I'll try to link it at the bottom so you guys can see. But the dress also came with like a little blazer. The blazer is okay. It's not that well made to me. Like, I wish the sleeves were more structured, but it's still cute. It's still cute, and it looks good over the dress, because I wouldn't wear the dress just out like that, because it's just a tight, short dress. Alrighty, so you guys should see that on the screen. I thought this option was really like classy. I thought it was really sexy, and it like popped out, you know, very clean because it's all white. I absolutely loved it. The boots just made it pop, and I feel like the length of my hair really made the look pop. Definitely loved it. Let me know in the comments as we go through these looks. Let me know which one is your fave or what you think of each look. So talk to me in the comments, friend, because that's where I'm going to meet you. All right, so let's take a look at the second option. Okay, so the next option is actually a sweater dress that I got from Rainbow. You guys have seen it before. It was that burgundy one with the hoodie. Now, I didn't wear it as a dress because this isn't my actual size. I had to get a size, what size is it? I had to get a size extra large. I can wear like a 1X or 2X, and this is an extra large, so it didn't fit me like a dress, which I don't mind. I wanted it to be like a sweater hoodie. So this is it here. I have a haul video with this exact item, and so you guys probably seen it there before. So it has a cute little hoodie. It's super cozy, and I literally just put this on with some black leggings that my mom got me from her little special store, girl. Where she get everything for so cheap, but she got me some really nice leggings, and they went so well with the boots. I felt really cute and really confident in that look. And when I put the hoodie on with the bob, it was kind of cute, girl. It was giving me vibes. I really, really liked it, and it's cozy. It's good for cold weather in certain states. Okay, now if you somewhere way up north where it's like, let it snow, I don't know, you might not be that warm. You might not be that warm, friend. But yeah, that was option 2. Girl, my lip gloss my lips look good. I mean, anyway, let me move on. Okay, now the next option, it was supposed to be just a tank top dress with the not the leggings, with the boots. It was supposed to be just a tank top dress with the boots, giving you minimalist but still serving, you know what I'm saying? However, when I put it on, I looked very much like I was working the boulevard, if you know what I'm saying. And I don't like that look. I don't like that cheap look, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to look like a working girl, if you know what I mean. And that's what I look like. So what I did was I put back on the leggings and made it like the tank top with the leggings and then the boots, and I had put this necklace on, and it dressed it up and made it a lot more cute. But this is the tank top dress. This is from Pretty Little Things. It's a very thin, like you can see my teeth through it. It's a very thin, lightweight tank top dress. So on the body, it was not all that without the leggings. It was just like it looks like a house dress to me. And with boots and a house dress this short, you look like you work in the boulevard. Like, I don't want to look like a working girl. Like, I don't want to look like that. If you know what working girl is, okay? Like, you know, working. The option was really cute. It was very minimal, but it did look like I put in a lot of effort. I feel like the accessories did that, and the boots, of course, dressed it up. So I really, really, really love the option because it was comfortable and it was very simple. Now, if you're in cold weather, of course, you would throw on some sort of jacket or coat over it, but it was still hopping. These boots are like, you know, they're really nice boots. They're really nice boots. So definitely check out Miss Lola. I have the links below, but I still have another look for you, girl. And the next look was my favorite look. So let's get into that. Okay. Huh?
I'm happy it's okay.
Okay, Chancy. Okay, now the next look, girl, I was trying to give you like model vibes. you know how models just throw things together and they just kind of work it and they make it believable, make it look good, but they're not normally pieces you would, you know, normally throw together. So I tried to like just go in my closet and just do something, okay? And this something actually turned out really cute and I absolutely loved it. Now what I did was I got my favorite sweatshirt. I freaking love this sweatshirt. I got it from Forever 21 a long time ago. It's a DuckTales, I love this. It's a DuckTales sweatshirt. Love this. I love this sweatshirt. I used to wear it to work all the time because it was really cold in the office. Back in the days when we used to work in offices or whatever. Not that I'm complaining, because I definitely like working at home. Boop. But anyway, yeah, I grabbed this sweatshirt. See, it doesn't even really match the boots like that. When you look, it's just like, okay, what do you want to do with the boots? Then I got these ripped up, over ripped jeans. These are old jeans from Fashion Nova. So these are them here, and they have these rips in them. Girl, and I put this together and I put the boots on. I thought I was a whole model. A whole ass model, okay? I put it together. I was like, girl, look at you. Look at you looking edgy. Looking edgy and really doing the damn thing. I love this option. First of all, it's a sweatshirt. Very comfortable. Jeans, even more comfortable. And the boots aren't high, so they're comfortable. I was giving so much. I was serving so much on a platter for you. So much on my plate. I mean, 2 plates, girl. I was serving. You cannot tell me I ain't no model, but don't push me, okay? And I was really all that. You couldn't tell. I'm really all that. Okay, friends, so those were our 4 options that we got with the boots. The first option was the a white dress with a white blazer. Number 2 was the burgundy sweater dress with the hoodie and the leggings. Option 3 was the black tank top dress that we threw on the leggings with and then the boots. Great option, very comfortable, really cute. And the last option, which is option 4, my favorite option, it was the model vibes. Model, okay? Very much model, serving you on a platter, been doing it for years. Ask somebody, Google me. Okay, friends, so there you have it. 4 outfits with 1 pair of boots. Let me know which one was your favorite. Of course, don't forget to like the video and be sure to check my the links in the description for my personal page, which is Cateyeglamour. Be sure to follow me there and definitely follow Sugar Scoop Beauty on IG. So when the launch is here, you'll be ready for it, and I promise you it's going to be worth the wait. I've worked really hard. My husband and myself have worked really hard on this for months, like a very long time, and it's finally approaching, and I really hope you guys enjoy everything, and I can't wait to just showcase it. I can't wait for you to get your hands on it. I can't wait for your reviews, your feedback, everything. I just can't wait for all of it. So we spent a lot of time preparing and making sure everything was just right. So I really hope everyone loves everything, you know what I mean? Because I love all the products. I put a lot into it, and I put a lot of quality into it, especially because there's so many people that do lip glosses and body scrubs, body oils and things like that, and the only way for me to stand out is to be the best, if you know what I'm saying. So that's the mentality that I had when I was doing all of this. So hopefully you guys see that and experience that, and you know, just be there to support me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Oh,